Yeah, this is from the mountain the water.
Kalau
You
dari
see?
dalam sumberan
Yeah,
aslinya.
see?
Itu kayak dari dalam loh itu.
Upon.
Kecil masuk ke dalam nih.
You touch is so cold.
From here, wow, you see?
Yeah.
Nah, really
Yeah, from
nih,
here. Yes,
original
okay.
water. Yeah.
You touch this one, MR is so cold. Cold.
Cold.
Yeah.
Cold.
Since like ice, right?
Yeah.
Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda guys. Yan. May kulitis din. Ito sili oh. Daming bulaklak. Sili.
Ini ada daun kroket nggak? Roti kroket nggak?
What's that?
Kroket.
Ah, yeah.
Also can cook with like this one. Also can
This one?
kroket.
Oh. No, not this one. The other one, the square the leg.
Dari sukar.
Yeah, not like that.
Yeah, this one long ya.
Yeah. Long, this is a plant. The other one can eat. In the Saudi Arabia, we put in the salad, right?
My eyes looking the papaya leaf.
Yeah, this one.
No.
No need.
Here have we talk
Oh, the sili, very nice.
using the papaya.
Papaya.
Awas.
It's okay, just keep walking. Oh, talbos ng sitaw. Ang sarap. Halina na po kayo.
Takut.
No, just walking. The dog is not bite you, just only keep walking. Kalabasa po, oh. Ang ganda. Ayan po, oh. Nasa kabundukan po kami. Pero may tanim dito ng sitaw. Di lang kaya ako makahingi ng talbos. Ang ganda. Ang sarap nito. Sustansya. Yan. May asyenda na ako ng gabihan. Ngayon, may asyenda pa ako ng sitawan. Ayan o. Yes. Bulaklak. Parang may bunga pa siyang nakatago. Yung talbos ng sili. This one. See guys? Ayan. Ayan po ang hasyenda ng aming gulayan. Ito po, may kulitis. May sili. Ayan po, daming bulaklak ko. May talbos ng kamote. Kompleto na po. Sahog na lang ang kulang. Ayan ang sili oh. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Ayan na po yung dalawa kong kasama. Iniwan ako. Lalakad na rin sila. Have a good day. Thank you. Pababa na po kami sa Saiboro. Ang tawag dito? Cyberport. Cyberport. Ay, bulol. Sorry na po. Bye-bye.